Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your Samsung TV and phone are on the same Wi-Fi and updated so protocols match. Once done, enable the TV's screen mirroring option. Look for Smart View or AirPlay in settings, because the TV must accept incoming streams. Next, unlock your phone and open its Cast, Smart View, or screen mirroring controls. You do this now to make the TV visible. This step ensures discovery and permission prompts will appear without delay. You should now find the TV listed on your phone. Tap its name to initiate connection because the phone sends an invitation to the TV. When the TV shows a permission prompt or PIN, accept it on the TV or type the PIN into your phone to authenticate. This prevents unauthorized casting. If the TV doesn't appear, open the Samsung SmartThings app or enable Discovery Mode on the TV so the phone can detect it. Once authenticated, streaming begins and the phone screen mirrors in near real time. Finish by adjusting display and audio. Set TV input to the mirroring source, rotate your phone for correct orientation, and change phone display scaling if edges are cropped. To stop, open your phone's Cast or Smart View controls and tap Disconnect or use the TV's mirroring menu to end the session. This cleanly releases resources. If things go wrong, restart both devices and confirm they are on the same Wi-Fi band. As a fallback, use an HDMI adapter for a direct wired connection that bypasses network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.